I am not going to renew this subscription, at least this Boost subscription. Hello, this is Kashif Mahmood and welcome back to KM Webverse. In this video, I will give my honest review for vidIQ Boost subscription. So here you can see when I go to the plans, I am using this Boost plan of vidIQ, which is for $49 by month. By the way, I have also created a video on how to get it for free almost for the first month. So you can try it out in pennies and you can watch this video for that. So in this video, we will see the pros and cons of this vidIQ Boost, and I will tell you whether it worth it or not and will I renew it or not after using it for 1 month. So when I go to the account settings and manage plan, so here you can see my subscription will renew on September 3rd and today it's 31st August. So it's almost a month I am using it. Let's start the video and see if it's worth it or not. So first of all, let's talk about the pros. So here you can see when I go to my channel, and let me go to the videos, and here you can see that this video that I published like 3 weeks. So I optimized this video using the vidIQ tool, and this was actually a repost of the video. So I reused that video. It was earlier published on my channel as well, and it got like 4 to 5 views only in like 6 months. So I re-uploaded that same video and I optimized the video, found this keyword using the vidIQ tool, and now you can see it is daily getting a good number of views, and ultimately in a big run it will be getting more views because it's getting regular views. I think the keyword tool is very good, which you can see over here. So if we search for like how to WordPress or something, and we can go to matching terms, and here you can see different keywords, you can sort them. This keyword where you see hyphen have very low competition, and here you can see when we scroll down, these are all very low competition keyword, and here you can see these have very low competition and these have no competition. So and these have low, so we can create videos on all of these keywords that you can see over here, and you can also see the search volume for that and the overall score. You can sort them using the overall score, and you can create videos on the keywords that have high score. So high score means low competition and high search volume. This is the best thing that I have found in this tool. So let's move forward to the second point, and this tool is very good if you want to compare two different keywords. Like if you have a keyword, for example, how to add favicon in WordPress, and maybe a keyword like adding a WordPress favicon on or something. So you can try two different keyword variation in this tool, and you can see which keyword is having more volume and low competition. So you can use that keyword in the title. That's what I have liked about this tool. So we have discussed two benefits of this tool. So let's move forward to the cons or disadvantages for this tool, for which I think that it does not worth $50 at least. So let's go to the generate and here search for how to add favicon, something like that. So let's search, and here you can see, first of all, in the title, it does not use the exact keyword, and it does not have any option to optimize the video for multiple keywords. Like we are paying $50 and we should at least be able to add some multiple keywords over here, so we can get a title based on those keywords and a description based on that. So it's just completely writing on its own, and we have provided a single keyword and it's not up to the mark as per my thing. It's better to use ChatGPT to write the description than this one. And also in the tags, you can see no related tags related to the keywords or the search terms for this video. Like it should have the keywords that have search volume and low competition over here in the tags. So I think it's completely useless. And here you get the thumbnails, which are useless as well, and hook and the script. I don't like both $50. It's better to write with ChatGPT with our own prompt, and it can write better. So you can see the three plans we have. So we are currently using this one, and here you can see we are getting the keyword thing which we discussed is the main benefit of this tool. We can get that for $10 by month. So if we are paying $49 for a month, I don't think it worth it. And also if we go to the keywords. Here we should be able to add multiple keywords. And the second con which I really don't like about this tool is that, for example, if we say how to add and we write something like that, and here you can see it is showing us some search volume, which is incorrect because no one will search like that. So this keyword volume is not good in this case, but it's good when we are searching for some terms over here, like how to add. We just search that and go to matching terms, then it's good over here. And it's also good when we are comparing two different keywords to see which keyword is good. So these were the two disadvantages of this tool. So there are also two missing features that I think should be there. The first one is that we cannot search for multiple keywords. We should be able to search the analytics for multiple keywords over here using this search bar, maybe by separating them using comma. And also one missing feature that I discussed earlier, which should be there, that we should be able to add multiple keywords and get the description and title optimized based on those keywords. So these are two missing features. So that is why I am not going to renew this subscription for at least this boost subscription. What I am planning is to get this pro plan because I like the keyword research tool, and I already told you that if you optimize your video using this keyword research tool, then you will probably get more views. So that was my honest review about this tool after using it for 1 month. If you want to get this tool, I recommend you to use this link that I will provide in the description, so you will be able to get up to 90% discount. To get the 90% discount, you can just create your account for free. After completing the sign up, click on upgrade and here select the plan on which you want to get 90% discount. So here you can go to monthly and you can select the plan which you want to get. So let's try this boost plan and apply this coupon code, think, and apply. And here you can see you can get it 4.90, and this pro plan you can get it for, turn this off, apply this coupon, and you can get it for $1 only. So you can get this pro plan or you can get the boost plan and try out that for first month, and then you can maybe change your plan to this pro plan and you can get it. To get even more discount, then watch my last video on the vidIQ that I created, in which I told you how to get it in pennies, not even $1. So if you want to get in pennies, then watch that video. I will provide the link for that in the description and the pinned comment. So that's it for the video, and like this video, comment on this video about your opinion, and subscribe to my channel for more related videos. See you next time.